What are some things that you would tell your younger self? I ask every podcast guest this towards the end, just kind of, giving your 20-year-old self a little pep talk.
I would kind of say, like, chill out, be more strategic. Like, you're going to get there. You're going to get to where you want to go. Don't be so uptight, anxious, stressed, tense. I was such like I got to get to the next destination so fast that I never took a deep breath. And I probably would have got there faster. I would tell myself, like, hey, take a deep breath and thoroughly think things through. Like, figure out who you are, what your strengths are. Try to only master one thing or two things, not 50 things. I've made money so many different ways, which is cool to teach. We've made 6 or 7 figures in like 13, 14 different industries, but I probably could have made 100 million in one. So it's like, you know what I mean? So, like, chill out. Everything will happen how you want it. It might just take a little bit longer. Keep your priorities straight. Just don't put anything above being a world-class person, I think would be my advice. Just be a world-class human being. And I would also say, don't forget the greatest currency on planet Earth is the effect you have on others. That's what you'll remember.